Hello, Dr. Christine Zapata with Emerald City Spinal Care bringing you another tip of the week. As a chiropractor, one thing that I consistently see that helps patients get back to the activities that they enjoy doing with less pain and more freedom is a really good stretching routine, especially if it's followed regularly. While we won't be discussing specific stretches this week, I do want to share some general tips that are important to keep in mind when stretching. So let's dive in. Oftentimes, I hear patients tell me that they spend time stretching only after they've already injured themselves. But it's important to incorporate stretching into your daily routine because stretching has so many benefits, such as a decrease in your risk of injury. Because stretching muscles regularly, it'll help you start to see an increase in your range of motion. And that increase in range of motion or increased flexibility can help reduce the risk of muscle pulls or muscle strains while you're active. Another benefit of regular stretching is an increase in range of motion in your joints. Noticing this one might take some time, but after stretching regularly, you will likely notice that you have a greater range of motion than you did prior to starting that stretching routine. Regular stretching can also boost your circulation. Stretching can improve your circulation by increasing blood flow to your muscles, and it can also improve your physical performance. Now, let me share with you 4 basic stretching tips. The first tip is to stretch before and after exercising. The second tip is make sure you're not holding your breath while you are stretching. To see the best benefits of stretching, you will want to breathe deeply and regularly. Oftentimes, people have a tendency to hold their breath while they're stretching. That can hinder many of the potential benefits and may actually increase your risk of injury. Now, the third tip is important. You want to make sure that you are not bouncing while stretching. Bouncing while stretching can cause micro trauma to your muscles, and that can oftentimes lead to scar tissue forming in order to repair that trauma. The scar tissue that forms causes muscles to tighten, and that can actually limit flexibility as opposed to helping it. And finally, the last tip, if it hurts while you're stretching too far. Keep these tips in mind the next time you're stretching. And again, be proactive. Don't wait until after you've already hurt yourself before you make time to stretch. Incorporating a stretching routine into your daily life can really help. Now, that's all I've got for you today. From all of us at Emerald City Spinal Care, have an amazing week.